This is Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker, and we've had a number of questions that we've been answering via our website, which is heygardenguy.com, or you can go to Facebook, Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker, or YouTube, Hey Garden Guy Charlie Stocker. And the whole purpose is to answer questions that you may have regarding your garden experience that you're just not sure which direction to go into. You submit those questions, we answer the questions either on our television show, on our website, or on Facebook or YouTube. So we all learn together and raise our garden IQ one question at a time. Before I go into any questions, everything is related to when the forsythia bloom. People kind of look at this as a magic date for gardening to really begin in our area. And I say that because people say, well, when do I need to put down the crabgrass pre-emergent? And along with the crabgrass pre-emergent, the fertilizer. And we always say when the forsythia are starting to bloom. And the big thing about the crabgrass pre-emergent is it's not a one-time deal in that it lasts for about 90 days and then it's no longer effective. And that's true for barricade, dimension, halts, all of them. So what you need to know about crabgrass pre-emergent, yes, you put it down when the forsythia are blooming, but then you do it again in 90 days. 90 days later, which is about the middle of June, you need to reapply the crabgrass pre-emergent and the fertilizer, and then that will last you the duration of the season. The second thing people look at when the forsythia are blooming, it's a great time to be planting many of the things that you seem to maybe have been waiting to plant. And we have a few of those things this morning because it's still, we're not sure about the frost date. Some plants that you put out, put it on.